Good afternoon, everybody. It's Tuesday. We've been back from Centre Parks for just over 3 days now. We came back last Friday. Then had a weekend of relaxing so Michelle could get some rest before she went back to work yesterday, which she has duly done. Now that we're back, we've got things we need to do. I'm going to start off by getting back to this room. I cleaned this room out ages ago and put all the stuff in another bedroom and made that a mess. But we're going to get this set up now, or going to start setting this up now, so that both me and Michelle can use this as an office, because Michelle's going to work from home, and I've started studying again. Now what we've got here is an Ikea build again, so another Ikea build to come. So that is one desk. It's going to be one desk for me, then Michelle's going to get another desk, and she's going to put that up there right next to the radiator because she wants to be warm. And yeah, so I'm going to, first of all, I've got to get rid of all that rubbish first, get that desk out of here. I've just finished editing tonight's video, and I've just realised that I've disconnected my laptop before I went in and cleared the copyright off it, but never mind, I'll get it in a couple of days. So first thing, let's get this desk and all that cleared off and get that desk taken down. Then we've got room to build up the new desk, and then we can set up our new workstations. Okay guys, that's enough for me for a minute. Michelle will be home in an hour. I'm just going to go off and clean out the cat's litter tray because it needs doing. Don't want to neglect him, so I'll go and do that, and then we'll see what happens when Michelle gets home, whether we actually do any more work or not. We'll see.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine.
Okay guys, so we've moved on a bit. Got one of the desks built up. And guess what? We got it wrong. We've put this bit on the wrong way around. As you can see, that sticks out. So we'll flip that over and just turn that round, and we're away then. But I'm not going to do it now because Michelle's been working all day as well. So yeah, that'll do for the day. We'll just carry on tomorrow, and I will just leave it for him to figure out what's happening. Won't we, Poosk? He's claimed the box, and I think he's about to claim the table.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round.
Good Tuesday morning, guys. I forgot my camera, so I'm having to do all this filming on my phone.
And it's Wednesday.
Okay, so we'll pretend we're starting again. Good morning, guys. Wednesday morning. I forgot my camera to film this, so I'm having to use my phone. That's it. So I caught up. Nobody would have noticed that.
No.
Okay, yes, what's happening is off to the hospital. Got an appointment for my eyeballs to see if I've still got any eyeballs left. So it's my 6 monthly checkup with the optometrist, is it? Eye doctor. So we're currently stuck in a little bit of traffic, but we're very close to the hospital, and we're going to be early. My appointment's at 9 o'clock. It's now 20 past 8, so we've got time for a cup of coffee. Awesomeness. And once I've had my cup of coffee, time to go on the toilet. Not so awesome, and also too much information. Yeah, we're just round the corner from the hospital now. Let's see if we can get parked up. That's the next challenge. Yeah. Okay, guys, I winged that. I've got a parking spot. Well, rephrase that. Michelle's got a parking spot. It's not too far away from where we want to go either. Now it's raining, so I brought my umbrella. Need to do now is get in, grab a coffee.
Hello. This one is $2.75. Thank you.
Coffee time, guys. Okay, guys, so I've quickly fixed this, so I've turned it the right way around so we can get the cables through now. And this is the right way. Could have gone anyway, but we've left it like this to take the cables. Now, bit out of breath. I just dragged that box through. Anything's out. I'm going to start building up the other desk. See if I can get it done before Michelle gets home. Which will all depend on whether I can actually get my breath back. I can't breathe.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine. And go out.
Hi guys, it's Thursday. 1:30. I was going to say morning then, but it's not, it's afternoon. Now, obviously, because we've been building up Ikea furniture, we end up with Ikea boxes, which I've now got to get. So I'm going to get that into that with a knife. So off I go. Doing it again. I'm recycling a little bit in the wind. Try not to fall down the steps. I need to watch where I'm going nowadays, otherwise I trip over everything. Yeah, so recycling time.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round.
Okay guys, that's my once a fortnight task, recycling all the boxes that we seem to collect from God only knows, but we seem to get a lot of them. But anyway, I've recycled that now. I've got about a quarter of a bin left and a week before they pick it up. So I've got room to get rid of whatever else comes in. I just can't seem to ever get on top of it. I seem to fill the bin up and then I have to store what other boxes come in, so I'm never ahead. I'm always basically slightly behind, but I think I'm ahead now, so I'm going to take that as a win and go in and have a cup of tea.